Right, so that's the outlet, the last one in the series, and my conduit work. First electrical job, more conduit, and there's the two middle ones in the series, and the ground fault at the start of the series, the source of the power, and the two lights show that it's correctly wired. See at the last one it says correct wiring if the two lights are on. We're going to test the ground fault. Yep, that works. Turn this back on. It's correct wiring. And let's see this one. Correct wiring. Correct wiring. Good. Good. And the last in the series. That's good. Good. And we'll test the ground fault on the last in the series. There. It if you heard it click, it shut down the ground fault box, which is currently powered off, as I'll show. So it's powered off, so we'll reset it and we're good to go. Had to use a little bit of expansion, box expansion, and because I got too shallow of a box, but that will work fine. And there you go.